The Agila 5 is an emerging concept missile often discussed as a future supersonic cruise missile for the Philippines. It represents the country's growing ambition to strengthen long-range strike capability and modernize its defense technology. The name Agila, which means eagle, symbolizes speed, precision, and dominance. The number 5 suggests a more advanced stage in the missile's expected design and performance. The Agila 5 is envisioned to deliver high speed, long-range reach, and advanced accuracy. Many analysts expect it to achieve supersonic speeds, possibly over Mach 2 or Mach 3, allowing it to travel extremely fast and making it difficult for enemy radar or defense systems to intercept. At such speeds, a missile becomes a powerful deterrent because it reduces the reaction time an enemy has to defend against it. Its projected range is expected to stretch across hundreds of kilometers, giving the Philippines the ability to strike distant targets, whether at sea or on land. This kind of range would allow coastal defense units to hit threats far before they reach Philippine waters. The missile is also believed to include precision-guided navigation technology, such as GPS guidance and terminal phase seekers, which would help it lock onto its target with high accuracy. Even though the Philippines is still at an early stage of developing indigenous missile technology, the Agila 5 seems inspired by systems like the Indian BrahMos, along with other modern Western and Asian supersonic cruise missiles. This influence suggests a design focused on speed, survivability, and operational flexibility. If such a system is developed, it would demonstrate the country's interest in reducing reliance on foreign suppliers and building advanced weapons at home. The Agila 5 concept aligns with the Philippines' broader defense goals, especially in strengthening coastal security and enhancing the country's ability to defend its maritime territory. With growing geopolitical tensions in the region, having a fast, long-range missile would add a strong layer of deterrence and provide the military with a strategic advantage. The missile could potentially be used for anti-ship missions, land attack roles, and rapid response coastal defense. Although not yet officially confirmed as a fully active or complete missile project, the idea of the Agila-5 highlights the determination of the Philippines to modernize its defense capabilities. If the project continues to develop, it may become one of the most important homegrown weapons systems the country has ever produced. The Agila 5 is more than just a defense concept, it represents national ambition, technological growth, and the future of Philippine military strength.